Switch on the instrument. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 30 minutes. Recommended temperature, 4 degrees Celsius. Suction intensity, set according to the individual's tolerance. Note, the applicators can be operated independently or simultaneously. The application of anti-freezing membrane on the treated area, abdomen, leg, and chin, is necessary. Apply the treatment head on the skin through the anti-freezing membrane to avoid frostbite. Tap the main on-off button first, and then tap the on-off button of required applicator to start the operation. Apply the applicator to the treated area, abdomen, leg, and chin, with the anti-freezing membrane in place. Tap the main on-off button, and turn off the instrument.